Alright, okay, guys, we're back, and oh my god. Alright, got it. I can't get this. It's too far. Whoa! Oh! It's loud. Oh, there's a bug right there. Whoa! Oh, that's huge! Oh! That one was huge. Oh my god. Watching another one. Oh crap. Oh! I wish you guys could actually see it. Let me just put it down. Oh! Oh my god. Oh, that's loud. Oh god. Oh my god. Well, let me just brighten you guys up. Well, I just brightened everyone up.
More coming!
Oh my god. Coming! If you see from that boat over there, that boat is actually launching them. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! I'm going to zoom out. Oh my god. Oh. Whoa! Oh! Oh my god. Happy July 1st in Canada Day. Oh my god, that's huge. Oh.
Dad, you're down!
Oh!
God, you see that?
Oh, my arms are getting tired from holding this camera. Oh my god. I'm sending this to YouTube. Oh my god.
Send it to YouTube so everyone can watch it.
Oh my god.
God, that was a big one. Oh, God!
Coming! Oh,
That was awesome.
thing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, God.
Ah! I know. Oh, I'm catching everything on this.
Oh, yeah.
My speakers are about to explode. Whoa!
There's one coming up. There's one coming up.
I know. Oh my god. Tom. Let me just put my jacket down. Whoa! Sorry, I didn't catch that much of it, and whoa! Ow! Okay. Hi, Anna. Okay, recording. And whoa! It's like a meteor that's actually, it's like a reverse meteor, I find. Oh! Whoa. Yeah, there we go. I'm just gonna sit down. Whoa. Oh my god, that's huge. Oh my god!
No, you're missing it.
Okay. Hold on, I'm just gonna lift it up and try to see it in reality. Whoa! That's huge. Oh my god! That was a big one. That's small.
Can I come off that? It's done?
No, it's not done yet. It's still going. Did you see that spin?
Double spin.
Yeah, it's like. Oh! I'm catching everything on here.
Yeah, I put on YouTube.
You can't see the fin, but I'll try to brighten up. I'll try to brighten the screen up next time. Oh my god! I'm catching everything on here. I'm so glad I deleted some games. So you guys, yeah, I can't.
Put that on Facebook.
Whoa!
That was a
Oh wait, I think I'm taking a picture now. Nope.
That was the biggest.
No.
Go, 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 that's the biggest one ever.
Oh my god, it's like freaking awesome.
There's someone coming.
Wait, what the?
Oh.
My friend.
God, that was big thing.
Oh, my speaker.
There's one coming. Oh.
My freaking speakers exploded. Ah, this. Whoa. Whoa. Okay.
Wait, the videotape.
I know, I'm actually seeing it and that's beautiful.
Yeah, nice.
What? I'm getting bitten, so fuck. Okay, guys, the grand finale, I think. And oh my god.
Oh god, that was a big one. Oh, just tons.
Okay.
We got some. There's more coming.
I know, I got them. Whoa.
God, that was a big one.
Oh my god, they're freaking like watching them like mad. Hold on, I'm gonna take this later. Whoa!
That's a big one.
No. I'm gonna take out my sweater. Oh!
God, see. Dude is running.
Whoa! What the? Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video soon because, like, I'm gonna have to end the video soon because it's actually, like, taking up all my minutes. Whoa. Oh my god.
God, that was nuts.
By the way, just so you know, whoa. Just so you know, guys, I'm actually making more real life videos, so, yo.
Fireworks. Canada.
4th of July. Whoa. I haven't caught everything.